For Monday, you have the quick write and you have the compare contrast assignment. So the overview, of course, is here. You're going to, of course, read for at least 10 minutes. When you click on the quick write, it looks like this. What's your book's title? Who's the author? What page are you on? And then lastly, in the text entry box, you have to find 2 to 3 examples from your book, 2 to 3 sentences. And underneath what you type from your book, you need to explain why you think it's an example of wonderful writing. So again, in the text entry box, you're selecting an example of wonderful writing from your book. So make sure you find 2 to 3 sentences and just share why you think it's wonderful. After that, click Next. The next assignment for today is to compare and contrast, which means look at the similarities and the differences between these 2 texts. These are 2 texts that we looked at during the last week of school before Thanksgiving break. So you'll click this. This screen will show up. Click here and you're going to see this. So you're going to answer all the questions that are in each section. Content, you're going to type your answers here in that text entry box. You're going to type similarities, 2 examples. How are these similar? Underneath that you have the differences. Go through them. If you have a question about this, send me a message. And that basically wraps up today's assignments for English 2. If you need to look back at these texts or reread them, they're here. Okay, click on them. Download them and look through them. Okay, same thing for the other text, which is right here. Okay, have a good day.